Welcome back. This is Kyle with SoftwareMedia.com. Today I'm going to be showing you simple animations in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Now last time I showed you how to do slide transitions, and the difference between transitions and animations is transitions are used when moving from one slide to the next. Animations, on the other hand, are used to animate specific elements within your slide, like your title, your subtitles, text, pictures, things like that. So what you're going to want to do is go to your Animations tab up here in the ribbon. You can see there's a bunch of preset animations, and they're all grayed out because we don't have anything selected. So select the element that you want to animate first, and you'll see that these have become available now. You hover over them, you will be able to preview what they're going to do. So you see that all of these are green. Now the green animations are entrances, while the gold ones are emphases, and the red ones are exits. Let's show them all, and I'm going to choose a float in for my entrance animation. So you see number 1 here, that's showing that this is the first animation. Let's go over here to our animation pane, open this up, and it will show an ordered list of all the animations that we have, and you can even preview them. So let's add a new animation. So you're going to click on your element, click Add Animation, and now I'm going to add an emphasis. I'm going to have it spin. So our first animation is our entrance. This is listed as number 1. Our next animation is our emphasis. This is listed as number 2, and you can see them both over here. This will help you keep your sequence nice and organized. If you look over here in your animation pane, you can click on your animation, and there's a little drop-down menu here where you can affect when it will start, the effect options, timing, and you can remove it. So I want it to start on my click. I'm going to go to the effect options. And this will have a bunch of different options for my animation. I can have it play various sounds. I can show what it will do after the animation. I can choose whether to animate the text all at once, by word, by letter, and this will vary depending on which animation you choose. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. You can adjust the timing if you want. So I'm going to go to my emphasis, and I want this to start after previous. So that means that as soon as this entrance has completed, the emphasis, because it's starting after previous, will occur. So see? Now I could add an exit onto this if I wanted to, but first I want all of my little subtitles here to show up. So first I'm going to click and select Add Animation. I want it to zoom in. See, now this will happen by default on click. Let's go to my slideshow, and I'm going to preview from the beginning. So I click, SoftwareMedia.com, spins, and then, since it was a click, always free shipping. So I'm going to go to my next element, animations. I want to add an animation, and I want this one to wheel in. I'm going to have this start after previous because I want this one to come in first when I tell it to, and then I want this one to come in after that. And I'm going to do the same with these other elements, but I'm going to use various different animations. To start, and I want them all to start after previous. So that means this one's going to go first, then this one, then this one, and then this one. If you expand your animation pane a little bit, you're going to see how all of these, this is the timing for your various animations. So you see how this one goes first on click, and it shows there, and then how this one is after that. It's just for quick reference, and you can change where it is if you want to set it by timing. So let's go to our slideshow and let's preview from the beginning. So now I click my title comes in, and my emphasis. Now it's going to wait for me to click again. I click, always free shipping, everyday low prices, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to add an exit to my title. So I'm going to go back to my animations pane. I'm going to add a new animation, and I'm going to have it fly out. My title will exit on click when I tell it to. So now I'm going to select all of my subtitles, and I'm going to add another animation. Find one I like. I want this one to float out. Now I want all of these to start with the previous. So if they start with previous, it'll occur exactly at the same time as this one that I just specified. So let's preview. So I click. Now I click again. These are all playing in sequence because they occur after previous. And now I click one more time, and all go out together. Thanks for joining us once again. This has been Kyle with SoftwareMedia.com. We'll see you next time.